I understand that feeling of being utterly exhausted yet unable to switch off. But did you know that a single night of poor sleep can increase inflammatory markers in the body by the same degree as a minor physical injury? It's a silent battle being waged within your cells every single night, and it's one we must address to protect our long-term health. This nightly struggle initiates a dangerous hormonal cycle. When sleep is fragmented, the body perceives a state of threat, prompting the adrenal glands to release excess cortisol, our primary stress hormone. As experts at Johns Hopkins Medicine have outlined, chronically elevated cortisol doesn't just make us feel anxious. It actively disrupts blood sugar, suppresses the immune system, and can contribute to the buildup of visceral fat. At the microscopic level, this hormonal imbalance inflicts profound damage. The persistent state of high alert fuels chronic low-grade inflammation, a key driver of nearly every age-related disease. This inflammatory storm can damage the delicate lining of our arteries, contributing to plaque formation and even cause our cellular DNA to fray, shortening our telomeres, the protective caps on our chromosomes that are a key biomarker of biological aging. But there is a powerful built-in solution, a process that only happens during our deepest stages of sleep. It's called the glymphatic system. Think of it as the brain's exclusive nightly cleaning crew. During deep sleep, our brain cells actually shrink, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow through and wash away metabolic waste, including toxic proteins like amyloid beta, which is strongly linked to cognitive decline. Without this deep sleep, these toxins accumulate night after night. So, how do we architect our evenings to ensure this vital repair work happens? The solution begins on our plate and in our glass. This is not about restrictive dieting, it's about strategic nutritional timing. First, consider incorporating a high-quality magnesium supplement, specifically magnesium glycinate. This form is highly bioavailable and gentle on the stomach. Taking 200-400 milligrams about an hour before bed helps to calm the nervous system by regulating neurotransmitters like GABA, which is essentially the brake pedal for your brain. Second, a small 240 ml long glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice in the evening can be remarkably effective. It is one of nature's richest sources of melatonin, the hormone that governs our sleep-wake cycle. The key is consistency. Finally, and crucially, you must avoid high glycemic carbohydrates and refined sugars within 3 hours of bedtime. A biscuit, a bowl of sugary cereal, or even white toast causes a rapid spike and subsequent crash in blood sugar, which can trigger a cortisol release and pull you out of deep sleep. This isn't about deprivation. It's about protecting your sleep architecture from metabolic disruption. With nutrition addressed, we must construct a behavioural blueprint to signal safety and rest to our brain. First, you must become a master of your light environment. 90 minutes before your desired bedtime, your war on blue light begins. This specific wavelength, emitted from all our screens and overhead lighting, directly suppresses melatonin production. The solution is twofold. Cease all screen use and dim your home's lights, switching to warm amber-toned bulbs if possible. This mimics the setting sun and gives your brain the primordial cue to begin producing melatonin. Second, leverage temperature. A slight drop in core body temperature is a powerful sleep-initiating trigger. Taking a warm, not hot, bath or shower 90 minutes before bed is the perfect strategy. It initially raises your body temperature, and the subsequent rapid cool-down period powerfully signals to your brain that it is time for sleep. Finally, you must decompress your mind without a screen. A simple, structured practice is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeating this just 4 to 5 times activates the vagus nerve and shifts your nervous system from the fight or flight sympathetic state to the rest and digest parasympathetic state, physically lowering your heart rate and calming your mind for deep restorative sleep.